DJI Mini 4 Pro is a compact yet powerful drone that combines portability with advanced features, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. It just weighs less than 249 grams, which allows more flexible flying without need registration in many regions, including the UK. The camera is equipped with a 1 by 1.3 inch CMOS sensor that delivers 48 MP still images and 4K video up to 60 frames per second. Additionally, it supports 4K slow motion and 100 FPS and features true vertical shooting for social media content. The flight time is approximately 34 minutes per battery, but you can purchase an extra battery to extend your flying duration. The drone also includes omnidirectional obstacle sensing with fisheye and downward vision sensors, enhancing flight safety. It utilizes DJI's O4 video transmission system, providing a range of 20 km with a 1080p by 60 fps live feed. Its intelligence features includes active track, 360 degrees, waypoints, master shots, and advanced return to home feature, offering automated and graded flight options. Inside the box, you'll find the drone, complete with a slick gimbal protector to ensure safe transport. Accompanying the drone is the DJI RC2 remote controller designed for seamless navigation. The package also includes a set of extra propellers and screws for easy maintenance and quick replacements, along with a handy propeller holder to keep everything organized. An intelligent battery is also included, providing reliable power for extended flight time. To assist with setup, a screwdriver is provided as well. At the same time, a USB-C cable for efficient charging, and it will help you for data transfer. Finally, DJI Mini 4 Pro stands out as a top-tier compact drone, balancing portability with professional-grade features. Its advanced camera system, intelligent flight modes, and robust safety features make it as a compelling choice for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage. In my future videos, you will be seeing more 4K drone shots, and I am very excited to share that here in my channel. That's all for now, and I'll see you again soon for another video. Thank you for watching.